In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks, or repeat due dates in Notion. Recurring tasks are really useful if you have things you need to do on a regular basis, like weekly reports, monthly planning, or daily habits. Instead of manually recreating the same task over and over, you can let Notion do the work for you by automatically duplicating a task at the interval you choose. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set that up step by step. First, open your Notion workspace and go to your Projects and Tasks database, or whichever task database you normally use. At the top or within the database, look for the button that says New. Go ahead and click on New to create a new task. This will open a task page where you can enter all the usual details, such as the task name, due date, and any other properties or notes you like to include. Take a moment to fill those out so your recurring task is properly set up from the start. Once your task page is open, look for the three dots menu. Depending on your layout, this is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the three dots to open the page options. This menu is where Notion hides a lot of powerful features, including the one we need for recurring tasks. In that drop-down menu, find and click on the option that says Duplicate Every. This is the feature that tells Notion to automatically create a copy of your task at a set interval. When you click Duplicate Every, Notion will show you several choices for how often you want this task to repeat. Here, select the interval that works best for you. For example, you might choose every day, every week, every month, or another schedule that fits your workflow. Think about how often you actually need to see this task, so you don't overload your task list unnecessarily. After you've selected your preferred interval, look for the option to save your choice. Click on Save to confirm your recurring schedule. This step is important. If you forget to save, Notion will not remember your duplicate settings. Once you've saved, your task is now set to automatically duplicate on the schedule you chose. From now on, Notion will create new copies of that task at the right time, helping you stay organized without needing to set everything up again each time.